Hello, this is Arnold from Steelmama. Today we will test this automatic stud and track machine for Mexico client. This machine can produce stud and track and automatic changing size, and also punching the holes for cables and the logo. This machine first part is the decoiler. The feeding part, this is the guiding part, is different with the other supplier, is automatic changing size. When the size changing, the guiding part also move. So this part is automatic move part. This machine will use 12 stations to form the shape. And we also have the mark on each one. So it's adjustable. When you change the thickness, you can adjust a little. And the machine with automatic changing width. We use servo motor to change the width so it's more precisely. This is the servo motor. And when change size, on the bottom we have the guiding part. So the machine, flying cutter, punching holes, punching logo, and automatic changing size. One machine produces from 30 to 90 width. Machine is with flying cutter, so with the punching and the logo, the speed can up to 20 meters per minute. When it produces the track without holes, the speed can up to 25 meters per minute. Now it's the 90 millimeter width of the stud. On each 3 meters stud, we have 3 holes and 2 logo. You can see we have 1, 2, 3 holes, and the logo is 1, 2. The machine is flying cutter, so that's why the speed will be faster than the normal machines. And with the automatic changing size, it means one machine you can finish stud, you also can finish track. So if you need any reforming machines, stud and track machine, ceiling machines, roofing machine, and other reforming machine, please contact us. We are from Steelmama.